Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is already breaking records, and it hasn't even officially hit shelves yet. The hype, insane. The numbers, off the charts. Let's break it down. Over 30,000 people have already signed up just to get notified about pre-orders for the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. That's before most people even get to touch the devices. Analysts are already predicting this will be Samsung's most pre-ordered foldables ever. In South Korea, things are getting competitive fast. SK Telecom, KT, and LG Uchu, the country's biggest mobile carriers, are battling it out with crazy deals just to attract buyers. They know this is going to be the foldable season to watch. So what's fueling this massive demand? Simple. The Z Fold 7 is Samsung's thinnest foldable yet, sleek, compact, and still an absolute powerhouse. It's running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy, the most advanced chip Samsung's ever put into a foldable. That means major jumps in performance, AI features, and efficiency. Battery life, up to 15% longer, thanks to a redesigned dual-cell setup and smarter software. You're getting all-day usage with multitasking in mind. And the display, the new UTG 3.0 inner screen is smoother, brighter, and stronger than ever. It's not just a foldable, it's a statement. Galaxy AI takes it even further with live translations, real-time call summaries, and smart notifications that feel straight out of the future. And let's not ignore the aesthetics. This thing looks stunning in titanium black, Arctic silver, and pastel blue. It's powerful, stylish, and ready to take over the premium smartphone space. With skyrocketing signups, heavy carrier promotions, and next-level hardware and software upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just launching, it's rewriting Samsung's foldable history. Have you locked in your pre-order yet? If you enjoyed this quick breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to GigaGuide for more premium tech drops, and I'll see you in the next one.